Welcome viewers to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about how to make money online as a teen. This is a great way to take your earnings into your own hands and be your own boss. One tried and true way to make money online as a teen is taking paid surveys. Companies will pay you to complete surveys on topics related to their products. This is a great way to make some extra cash in your spare time. Another way to make money online as a teen is to start a blog. Blogging can take some upfront work, but it's a great way to earn a passive income and make money from home. You can start a blog writing about topics and interests you are passionate about. You could also try freelance writing. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork offer hundreds of writing jobs and can a great way to make money online as a teen. Freelance writing is perfect for teens with a knack for written communication and an interest in writing. Consider taking on a virtual assistant role. Companies like Fancy Hands will hire teens as virtual assistants to help do a variety of tasks such as customer service, scheduling appointments, and email management. Many virtual assistant jobs pay on an hourly basis and can be a great way to make money online. If you're looking to make money online as a teen, consider offering tutoring services. You can use tutoring sites like tutor.com or Wyzant to connect with other students in need of tutoring help. Finally, if you are tech-savvy and have the necessary expertise, you could make money online as a teen by offering web design services. Sites like Twitter's Bootstrap and website builders can help you learn the basics of web design and get you started. Making money online as a teen is a great way to become financially independent and start taking control of your own earnings. Whether you're interested in surveys, blogging, writing, virtual assistant roles, tutoring, or web design services, there's sure to be something that can help you make money online. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.